Hi, Senator. Hello po.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. Where shall we get, sir? Yes. Yes. My name is Herminio Hari El Roque. I'm the Least Counsel of the court. I'm here to see.
VP, nakausap niyo na po ba siya? PRRD? No comment? Sige. Alright.
I will ask you again because my intercom is not working.
Okay. Okay, go.
Yes, can I help you?
My name is Herminio Hari El Roque Jr. I'm a member of the Least Counsel of this court. I'm here to confer with my client, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He does not know that I have arrived at The Hague. He has to be informed. I'm also here in the presence
Okay.
of